All right, let's hope the camera's working. All right, guys. I went to the physical therapist's office yesterday afternoon, and he had, I think it was a chiropractor, I'm not real sure, somebody there that, so I do, to preface this, I go see him once a week. He does mobility tests on me to make sure that I'm still have all my range of motion and, you know, all of that stuff, so that I'm not damaging myself worse by doing my exercises. But, you know, I was never able to really raise this arm up. It would get locked. And I thought it was because of that broken bone. Apparently, my shoulder has been slightly dislocated, not all the way dislocated, just partially dislocated all this time. So this gentleman that was there told me to put my arm on his shoulder like this. So he was standing right here. He hunched down like this, and I put my arm across his shoulder like this. And then he started inching forward with his shoulder and standing up, and he put his hands right over this part of my shoulder right here. And when he felt it was real tight right there, he manipulated my shoulder back and forth like this, and then he just stood up. And that arm just went BAM! And I'm telling you, it sent a shock through my body like you wouldn't believe, but look at that. What do you think of that? I can raise my arm. So last night when I did my workout, I tried to focus on making sure that I went up like this instead of out, because my shoulder was locking. I couldn't really go up. So now, because that's temporarily fixed, we don't know if it's going to stay that way, I can do my lifts better. The second point of news is that as I'm riding around on my motorcycle now, I'm keeping my hand gripped like this instead of keeping this finger on the brake, because when I do that, it stretches this out, and I think it's keeping it irritated more, because if this is irritated and has more pressure being put on it from my hand being extended like this when it's on the grip, now I'm gripping the grip like this, so it's keeping the pressure off of that lump. So my hand is feeling better, and also I'm doing this constantly. I make a fist and I press my thumb against my other fingers, which helps to stretch those tendons out, and I can feel it all the way through here and all the way into my wrist when I do that. But I'm able to move my thumb more, which means I can get a better grip, which means less pressure on that lump when I do my workout. So my hand is feeling better. It's probably 30% better than what it was. Let's get this first set over with. Let's see. Good morning. It is Tuesday, day 30. No. What day? What day is this workout? I've lost track. Day 32, I think. I think it's day 32 of my workout. I'm pretty sure it is. Well, let's see. 6 times 5 would have been 30. Monday would have been 31. Today is day 32. Yeah. So today is day 32. Oh, and I made a mistake yesterday when I put the text on the screen of my weight and my size. I put 39 inches. It's actually 38. This hand, because of that thumb, you don't realize how much you use your thumb for everything and how much it affects your hand and your arm and your everything you're doing when you can't use your thumb properly. I didn't realize it until I re-watched the video on YouTube after I had posted it and everything else. I realized that I had misprinted that. It was supposed to be 38 inches round, not 39. I don't want y'all to think I'm getting fatter, because I'm not. And one more side note, this week we're going to find out for sure if my body's burning fat and building muscle at the same time, or if I'm just confused. What I've done is I started this Monday morning. Well, Monday, because I only eat one meal a day. I'm going to eat the same thing all week. And it's only about 1,000 calories. So it's roughly 1,000 calories. And you can do the math on it if you want. I have 2 sausage patties. I have 2 sausage and egg sandwiches on hamburger buns and a handful of pretzels. That's it for the day. And I usually eat that in the evening. My ears are itching. Somebody must be thinking about me is what they say. Or if your ears are ringing, I can't remember. Anyway. Yeah, stupid watch. See? Takes me a while. I'm getting a late start this morning. I had to go do a windshield repair early this morning, and then I had to come back and do my workout because I'm not missing my workout. Let's see. So this week, started yesterday, I'm eating 2 sausage and egg sandwiches on toasted buns with a handful of pretzels every evening around 5 o'clock, and it's about 1,000 calories. And the reason I'm doing that is because I know that's exactly 1,000 calories, and if I eat that one thing every day, I'm not varying my calories up and down or anything. It's the exact same amount of calories for the entire week, every day for the entire week. And I'm going to do that from Monday all the way through Sunday so that when I weigh myself next Monday, I will know if I'm burning fat and gaining muscle, or if I'm losing, if I lose weight and I haven't lost any strength, that means I'm burning fat. If I've gained weight and I haven't gained any inches, then I'm building muscle. And that's really the only way you'll know, is if you base your calories and stay at the same exact calories. And that's really hard to do if you're eating a variety of food, because it's just hard to keep track of. So my sausage patties are 210 calories each, times 2. So you can do the math on this. My hamburger buns are 120 calories each, times 2. My pretzels are 140 calories for 1 serving, and that's 16 pretzels. And I have 2 servings of pretzels. And I count them out. I make sure I only get 32 full pretzels, because, they're counting it as 16 full pretzels. So I get 32 full pretzels. That's 2 servings, 140 calories, times 2. So 210 calories times 2 is 420. 120 calories times 2 is 240. So 240 and 420 is 420, 620, 640. And then another 140 on top of that would be 740, 780. And then another 140 on top of that for the second serving of pretzels. What did we say? 780. And then another 140. So that would be 880. That would be 920 calories. That's what I'm basing it on. And I'm not feeling weak or anything, so it's not like I'm lacking food. That one meal a day, it's less than 1,000 calories, but that one meal a day at roughly 1,000 calories for this entire week. We'll see if I lose any strength at all. If I don't lose any strength, then I can still do my workout, and I'm not losing strength, that's great. If I'm losing weight, that can be one of 2 things. I could either be maintaining muscle and losing an excessive amount of fat, or I could be maintaining muscle and losing an excessive amount of fat, or I could be building muscle and losing an equal amount of fat and just, staying the same weight or losing a little bit of weight. We'll see. anyway, I can't explain everything what I'm doing. We'll find out on Monday, but today is Tuesday, day 32. I want to get this first workout done. I still have my boots on because I normally wear those other shoes. We're going to try it with the boots on today and see what happens. Get this hand to work. Yeah, see, it still hurts, but not as bad. And up. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, being able to extend that shoulder after years of not being able to really, really is nice. Being able to grip that weight. A lot less pain on that hand. Feels great. Oh yeah. I feel amazing this morning. I don't think my shoulder's still not going to come up as high as my other one though. All right. Yeah. And because my hand doesn't hurt as bad, I can do these better as well. I added 5 to that. I added 5 to the triceps because I'm using half the weight. So because I can grip the weight better, that hand's not hurting as bad, I can do more of those. All right, I think I've talked enough. Trying a different, I know this looks like the same exact mic. They're all very similar, but it's a new mic. Hopefully it doesn't do that womp, womp, womp noise. I won't know until I edit this video. Tuesday, day 32. If you're new here, click this playlist over here. Watch my journey from the very beginning. Thank you for subscribing. Click the like button, share the video. I'm going to rest for 5 minutes and do this again. I will see you tomorrow.